day to everyone. This is going to be my first tutorial. So what we're going to do right now is how to make a simple logo or even a watermark for your video. So first, what we're going to do is click on composition, then make new one. So once it's there, we're gonna add some text there. So we're gonna type in my website, which is ahosiboytambay.com, which is currently currently being fixed at the moment since I don't have any editor at the moment, or I don't have time to fix this. So we're gonna use one of my favorite fonts, which is Stencil, or you could use anything or any type of font that you want. Feel free to choose or anything that would suit your needs or your taste. Okay, so we're just gonna put this right there. Just gonna put it in the middle. You could adjust the size if you want. You can play with it. Anything that you'd like to do, you are free to do whatever you want. So sa madaling salita, bahala ka ng trip mo. So lagyan natin siya ng animation. So we're gonna put animation. We're gonna go to the animation preset, which is reloaded in After Effects 2018. We're going to go in no, not the backgrounds. Yeah, we're gonna go to text, then we're gonna choose animating. You could choose anything that you want. There's a center spiral, which is going to be like this there, but we're not going to do that. I'm not going to use that. So we're gonna undo that, Control Z for Windows, or we could do character shuffle, and it's gonna look like that. We're not gonna do that. Also, something that's commonly used. Why not the drop by character? So now we're gonna there you go. So now we have an animation there. So if you want to add more, you could go to the backgrounds and animation presets. You could use any of this. Just drag it over here and look. Wow. If you want, you can also adjust the brightness. Just this, make it more bright. But okay, you could change this to a linear part, or you could play with it whatever you want. Something that suit your needs. So kanya-kanyang trip ulit. So ito yung sa natin. Yung sa Cosmic Power sa animation preset. I mean sa backgrounds. So yan siya. So bahala na kayo kung gusto yung paglaruan dyan, okay? So that's it, napakasimple lang, di ba? Susubukan natin ibang preset. Subukan natin yung text. Pili tayo ng iba. Raining characters, and yeah. So it's gonna look like this. Then adjust natin ng konti kasi tumatama na sa gilid. There. So you have your animation there. Or kung di nyo trip yan, there's more over here, or you could download some online. Let's try this one. There. So if you want, you could put background over here. Let's put lightning band there. There's lightning over there. And if you want to play with the presets, you can go over here. So you can just do whatever you want. You see that? Habang ginagalaw ko siya, nakikita nyo na ano. So, anong pasok sa panlasa nyo. Yan. Tapos, highlights natin. Wag niya. So, blending. Add. Or kung di nyo trip yan, pwede natin palitan. Let's try magma. Now, sa mga nag-iinit dyan, this is one of those perfect for your intro, or you can even make this your watermark if you wanted. Okay, so once that is done, you can also add the background if you want. So let's see. So if we're going to add a background, so let's see over here. Let's try something. One of my aerial shots should do. Let's see. This okay. This one. Okay. There. See over here. Hindi siya bagay kasi it's beach. And fairy siya. And you could also add animation. Aside from that one, we're gonna go again to text. Then we're gonna add the fade upwards over here. So see now. Oops, hindi siya lumabas. If you like the video, please click the like button and click subscribe. Thank you.